Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to discuss that how you can set up passkey for your Coinbase account. So without wasting any time, let's begin our video. The first thing you need to do is to open your Coinbase application on your device. Once you do so, tap on the menu option here and it will bring you here. From here, you need to tap on your profile and settings. Once you tap on profile and setting, you need to scroll down where you will find security, and under security you need to tap on change security and settings. So once you tap on that, it will take a bit of time to load. So guys, under 2FA settings you will find your authentication methods here. As you can see, I have the authenticator app and text message, but if I want to add a passkey to that as well, so I will tap on the downward arrow here, available methods, and here you will find passkey. All you need to do is to tap on setup. So once you tap on setup, it will bring you here and they say set up a passkey. You need to tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, they say enter the 6-digit code from your authenticator app. So if you already enable your authenticator app, you need to go to your authenticator app to get the 6-digit code and you need to enter it here. So I will go to the authenticator app and get the code from here, copy it, and then come here and paste it here. So once you paste it here, they say create a passkey. So I will tap on continue. So once you tap on continue, use your screen lock, create a passkey for coinbase.com. You need to tap, or you need to scan your fingerprint here. And now, as you can see, the passkey has been created. Your passkey is stored in the passkey manager below. Choose a memorable name or use the default. So if you want to rename that one, just to make you remember it, you can tap on rename and rename that passkey. If not, just tap on continue. And they say disable SMS. Your less secure 2FA methods such as SMS are still active, which means you won't gain the full security benefits of using a passkey. So you want to disable it, then you can, or if not, then just tap on not now. So for now, I will not disable that one. As now, as you can see, the available methods on the 2FA settings, I have a passkey, then I have another one, which is the SMS and authenticator app as well. So guys, this is how you can set up the passkey for your Coinbase account. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe. I will see you in the next video. Till then, take care.